This is a carburetor from a 2011 Yamaha TTR 125. There's a bunch of gunk in the bowl. I'll show that in another video. It's going to show what the slide is not doing. This is the throttle cable attachment. Goes up to the two cables and the throttle handle on the handlebar. Took the cover off. You can see the mechanism. This supposedly pulls up the main jet slide. That being the main jet slide, if you notice, when I pull this back, the main jet slide's not moving, which means it's disconnected somehow from the top of the slide. Can hold it open. I'll try to hold it open. There. Put that in there. Hold this open. This is up. Slide is still down. And yeah, there we go. Finally goes up a little persuasion. And I take that out and it does push it back down, but it ain't moving. Next video is that